Holy Jesus Christ. I can't believe this. You could actually hear it. I mean, this is extremely scary. Well, I'm glad we're at the airport. If we were anywhere else, I don't think we would have made it. And Germain Arena, I don't know if those people are surviving this, but I know this airport is built really, really well, and it's withstanding this so far. But I'm gonna head for the bathroom, and I'm gonna stay really close because there's no windows in that bathroom, and if one of these windows pop, this place might explode. I mean, this is very, very strong winds. Wow. And this is our friend Ramon, and he might be losing his house too, but let's see what kind of attitude Ramon has.
It is what it is.
I'm losing my house too, buddy.
At least we're alive, right?
We're alive, and that's all that counts.
That can be replaced again.
That's right.
But a life will never be replaced.
That's absolutely right. Everybody's shooting video of this. This is unbelievable.